Hey everyone, are you seeing the message media is no longer available when trying to view a photo, video, or file in Messenger? This error usually happens for three main reasons. The sender deleted the media violated Facebook's guidelines and was removed, there's a network issue or app glitch preventing the media from loading. If the media hasn't been deleted, you can likely fix it with the steps below. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a strong, stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off to reset your network. Weak or unstable internet can prevent media from loading properly. Solution 2. Restart the Messenger app. Swipe up from the home screen and close Messenger completely from background apps. Reopen the app and try loading the media again. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the issue instantly. Solution 3. Update the Messenger app. Open the Google Play Store. Search for Messenger. Tap Update if available. Updates often fix bugs and improve app performance. Solution 4. Clear Messenger cache. Open your phone's Settings app. Tap Apps. Find and tap Messenger. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Reopen Messenger and try again. And that's how you fix the media is no longer available error on Messenger. Let me know in the comments which step worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Messenger troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching.